Want to play classic games in your PC? Here's a simple, fun way to do it using RomsFun. First, you'll need two things, a game ROM and an emulator. Go to romsfun.com and choose the console you want like PlayStation, Nintendo, or Xbox. You can use the search bar or filters to find your game faster. Once you find the game, open it and download the ROM file that matches your device. For safety, always scan the file before opening it. Next, download an emulator that supports that console. Install the emulator on your PC, then open it and load the ROM file you downloaded. After that, just press play and enjoy the game. And that's it. That's how you play games from ROM's Fun, quick and easy. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.